Good day to all the employer of Hong Kong. I am Charlene Bautista Mangubat. I am 36 years old. I live in General Santos City, Philippines. I am a married person and I have 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. The eldest is 15 years old, the second is 13 years old, and the youngest is 9 years old. I graduated in General Santos City High School year 2000-2001. I finished my first year in college, 2002-2003, with a course of nursing aid. I have an experience working abroad as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 2 years and 3 months. I have served 4 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities is to take good care of their children. And I do some household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, and sometimes I do cooking for their food. I'm an honest person, trustworthy, and loyal. Hoping you will choose me as your helper and looking forward to work with you, Mom and Sir. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.